Assalamu alaikum everybody, how are you doing today? My name is Muhammad Tayyab and I welcome you to my channel. So today I'm going to tell you about 3D printing and how it's revolutionizing and manufacturing. 3D printing is transforming manufacturing, making it possible to create products layer by layer from digital models. Industries from healthcare to automotive use 3D printing to produce prototypes, spare parts, and even complex medical devices. This technology reduces waste, speeds up production, and enables customized solutions. As costs drop and materials improve, 3D printing is said to make manufacturing more accessible, sustainable, and innovative. Thanks for watching this informative video and leave a like and a comment below. So we will make it in another video. Till then, goodbye.